I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated, oh. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it, oh.
Welcome back to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So in today's video, we're making our whitening black soap. In here we have our melted black soap mixed with our mekako soap. Mekako soap is very good for reaction on the skin. In here I'll be adding my sandalwood powder. Here's my cinnamon powder. Here's my turmeric powder. I added a tablespoon of my turmeric powder. This is my Citroclear serum. I'm adding 1 bottle of this Citroclear serum into this mixture. Here is my herbal water. It's very good for the elasticity of skin. It firms your skin and it makes your skin to be free of blemishes and to be free of any skin problem. So I'm adding my omiaro into this mixture. I added half of my omiaro into this. Here is my Santa Day Fit whitening lotion. It's called whitening lotion for foot and hand. So I'll be adding my Santa Day into this mixture. Here is my coconut oil. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my coconut oil into this. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my carrot oil into this. Here is my crude kenako. I'm adding this into the mixture because it prevents green vein. I'm actually making a whitening soap, so I'll be adding this into this mixture. A tablespoon. This is my skin-free milk. This whitens your skin tremendously. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this into my mixture. Our soap is ready, and this is our whitening soap. This soap is very whitening. It will whiten your skin in 7 days. Just give this soap 7 days. If you're the type that have acne on your face, you apply on your face, wash off after 10 minutes before you bathe. Then if you're the type that have spots, you want to treat spots from your face or any part of your body, you apply there before you have your bath. Apply and wash off after 30 minutes. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, and turn on the notification bell below so as to be updated when I upload a new video. Thank you very much.